Hello everyone, we're going to talk about equipment design in the future. Talk about assembly self-test. There are many parts around our equipment. The main parts just like NFC, pressure gauge, chemical density meter, being in density meter, photo sensor amp, proximity sensor amp, capacity sensor amp, level sensor amp, and so on. And we can connect for service with this diagnostic tool, just like this one, to do the troubleshooting. Diagnostic tool, as we talked about before, made by manufacturer. The manufacturer made this meter gauge and sensor. The diagnostic tool can connect to this sensor meter gauge by it execute self-test, check the sensor or gauge or meter normal or not. Use it execute the basic self-zero and self-calibration with the gauge, meter, and sensor. Also, according the tool execute self-measure the real value and show to equipment engineer to let him do the job. Also use it execute basic self-troubleshooting and show the error code to equipment engineer to let him can check the menu for troubleshooting easily. Use this tool execute, reset or initialize by equipment engineer for easily troubleshooting for save time. So this convenient tool benefit is easy for equipment engineer execute troubleshooting. It's a basic function and save time for troubleshooting and save time for equipment engineer run skill. Just use it, no need to do the major amp current, voltage, and resist, and so on. Complicated work. And use it can deal with the micro voltage and micro current and micro resist major result to get the major result to see if it is normal or abnormal. Use it get efficiency. No need equipment engineer to measure these values and to judge if it's something wrong or normal condition. This tool will cost money, but they low cost and save a huge time and money. Okay, let's all see you next time.